What's up guys? Happy Thursday. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about the infamous TYME Iron. I'm sure you have seen this iron somewhere on Facebook. They advertise that you can get these big, fluffy, easy curls in like no time flat. So I bought this iron. It was close to $250 when it first came out. I think they have a new version out and it's $190 now. Step number one, make sure your right thumb is behind that power blue button right there. Step two is making sure these guidelines, one side has plates, one side does not, are facing away from you. You go to the opposite side and you have to keep your hand behind that power button, plates facing away from you. So they're usually facing outward from the hair, on the outside of the hair. Plates are on the inside, guidelines are on the outside of the hair. 45-degree angle, pull down towards the mirror, and then release. Same thing for your back. For any pieces in the back, you come and you bring it forward. I'm going to demonstrate a couple of these, but I'm not gonna finish my whole hair just because this is gonna take way too long and I'm not even good at using this. But here we go. And that's the other thing. I don't like having to check every single time I'm about to do it. Like I have to reposition everything about my hair or about my hand. And then all this stuff happens where half of it gets missed. It's just not, it's not a hit for me, y'all. It's not a hit. I honestly don't think it's worth the money. Yeah, I'm not into this at all. And I honestly think I'm just gonna stop. So yeah, I'm not into this iron at all. I feel like it's way too difficult to freaking use. The whole thing's just a mess. I think it was just a really poor design job and unfortunately, like, it's a flop for me. Paying $250 should not be this hard to use. Like, you should have just made the entire thing just rounded. That way everyone could have just spun it and just done that, and that would have been an easier route for me. But they have a Pro, which is a different version of theirs out, or a newer model of theirs out, but the only difference that I saw on it is that you can just adjust the heat on it. With these, it's just a standard heat. I don't even know what these get up to. It's definitely hot, I'll tell you that. The curls that it gave me, like, I don't know guys, like it just doesn't work for me. And I've tried it with my left hand, I've tried it with my right hand. I've watched the tutorials like a million times, like, and I'm doing everything. Like, if you guys saw my mirror right now, like down here, you would see I have like drawn on the mirror of like left arm, right arm, where the cord's supposed to be. So I have like a diagram in front of me to follow, and it just doesn't come out right. So I don't think this is an operator error. I think this was a design error. So don't go waste your money on that. Again, oh shoot, whatever, time. Don't go waste your money on it. They did have a lot of issues with getting their products sent back because everyone was like, this is way too hard to use. And they actually offered free one-on-one FaceTime sessions with anyone who bought the product in order to teach them how to properly use it. Did I try that? No, I don't know. Just show me a YouTube tutorial and I'm gonna go off of that. Otherwise, unless, you know, they're gonna say anything different. And the tutorial, to be fair, one of them that I did watch was actually from the company. So before anybody harps on me for not giving the company a chance, I did. If you found this video helpful, you found this review helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you go to my channel, click that little bell next to subscribe. You'll get notified of any time I post a new video or I have any new content out. Comment section is open below. Feel free to leave me a product you'd like me to do, any tips that you have about this TYME Iron working for me, and maybe I'll come back later and give another review on it. But today, it's a big fat don't go buy this. Until the next Thursday arrives, I will just see y'all then. Take care. Mwah.